I'm not promoting any news outlet njengamanje, but hear me out. Yabona njengoba bebaningi abantu engazathi abakholwa ukuthi ke uNathi Mthethwa akasekho emhlabeni. Mina bengithi ake kuthintweni iDaily Maverick. Akuthintweni iDaily Maverick akithatha amakhamera nama-journalist akhona beke behambe beshonele eFrance mhlambe eParis bengakwazi ukuthi ke besibuyele nodaba oluphelele ukuthi kahle ngempela kwenzakaleni. Isikhathi sanyamalele yilama chat ekuthiwa ke asuke efonini yakhe abheke kunkosikazi wakhe ukuthi athini nanokuthi ke eze edlule nje emhlabeni kwenzakaleni ngempela. Ngicabanga ukuthi akukho esingeke size sikuthole ngoba when it comes to investigation that team leave no stone unturned. Trust me on that one. I'm not promoting them, I'm just saying but ke ngicabanga ukuthi vele abantu abaningi banakho ukunganeliseki ngalolu daba of which ke sekukhozena ne-division nje kubantu ke abaningi ngoba abanye besho ukuthi oh guys aninalo ninuzwelo noma ukuthi umuntu ke imapha amacala abekwe wona lo muntu unomndeni kunabantu abamthandayo of which is very valid kakhulu ngoba ke ukudlula komuntu emhlabeni vele akusiyona into elula ukuthi nje kungaba yindaba ezingathokozelwa abantu abaningi but ke abanye futhi bayasho ukuthi ke akakwazi ukuthi ke adlule emhlabeni kulesi sikhathi ngempela kufanele ukuthi ke ajeze noma ke akwazi futhi ukuthi akube impendulo emibuzweni ke eminingi nje ekhona ethinta ke inkohlakalo le kulokho ekukhulunywa ngayo lapha yana ke kwiMadlanga Commission. Nami nje ilokho engizicabangela khona ngiyazi ukuthi we don't have that power but only what we can do is to wait from ngale ke ukuthi ngempela sizothola ama details aphelele ukuthi ke kwenzakaleni ingabe ngempela lokho abasitshela kona kuyiqiniso uma futhi kuyiqiniso kuze kanjani. We want all the details, not just a report ukuthi oh kwenzeke 1 2 3. Sicela ama details aphelele nje futhi adlali.
Bawethu for once nje ake sisebenzise lento bafethu, ake sicabange nje bafethu, sicabange ngalento, singacabangi ngalento, ake sicabange ngalento lesenze ingqondo. Okay, okokuqala nje bafethu, uNyambose ubesezweni okungasilo elakhe. Yes, ubelizayizayi lade khona beyikwerekwere. Yes, ube ubhutwa ngari. And number 2, ukuze ukwazi ukufeka ukufa kwakho kumele ube ne-influence endaweni ezimbili or ezintathu. Number 1, administration. 2, imedia. 3, abomthetho. Kumele ube ne-influence kulama spheres awu-3. Uyazwa, uNathi uNyambose ubelokhuza ubeyini lapha eFrance, ubeyinxusa i-ambassador yala eMzansi, ubeyileyo nto lapha eFrance. Kusho ukuthi amandla akhe aphelela kuphi? E-ofisini nakuma-meetings awahambayo, amandla akhe aphelela lapho. Kodwa emphakathini waseFrance ube umjida nje, ulova nje, ehambela nje ngokukhululeka. Yabo, akanawo amandla kwi-admin, kwi-media nakwi-authorities. So nina uma nithi uNyambose ufake ukufa kwakhe lapha eFrance, so nitshela ukuthi the French authorities played along kule scheme lesi. uNyambose number 1 ethatha phi lo influence, uzobe ethatha phi influence yokuthi akwazi mhlambe ukubribe ukuzana iphathimandla zaseFrance ukuthi zidlale lo mdlalo. Ethatha phi lo influence, engayithatha kuphi? Ngoba phela ukuze ukwazi ukufake ukufa kumele ube ne-influence kwi-security system, kwi-security force yezwe. Kumele ube ne-influence emaphoyiseni, kahle kahle kubantu abaphethe umthetho, abasebenza ngomthetho. Njengoba uNyambose ebeyinxusa lapha, wathatha phi lawo mandla ukuthi abe ne-influence engaka kubantu? Wathatha phi lawo mandla? And number 2, engawathatha phi amandla ukuthi ekwazi ukucontrol imedia? Engawathatha phi? Come on guys, ubani ongafika ukufa kwakhe within a week? Because ukufika ukufa it needs i-planning. Kumele futhi uplanele indawo ozohlala kuyona. Yezwa, ukhanda i-identity entsha. Kumele umanipulate i-media, abomthetho ne-admin. Yabona umsebenzi omkhulu kabi ukufake ukufa. Kungakuthatha ngisho unyaka ukufake ukufa, the whole year. Kumsebenzi omkhulu kabi. So nje leso sikhathi engasithathaphi. Yabo. So nina uma nithi ufake ukufa, ngihlahla ngichaza ukuthi he dragged the whole French authorities to this cover up. Ewathatha up lawo mandla. Ewathatha up. Kanti ubani? Yabo la South Africa ubengakwenza. Because la Mzansi ube uminister aziwa futhi comrade eliqabane. Awu futhi nje ilungu elikhulu eliqavile le-ANC ubengakwenza ke la eMzansi. Yabo because unayo yonke ipower la eMzansi. Une-access kwi-admin, une-access kuzana kwezomthetho, une-access nakwi-media. Kodwa le eFrance lapho nobody khona engawathatha aphi lawo mandla lawo ukuthi nje mfethu ekwazi ukuconvince abomthetho ukuthi basebenzisane naye. Yabo because obani abakhipha indaba imedia yaseFrance, obani kade bemxilonga abomthetho baseFrance, the French authorities, hayi baseMzansi eFrance. Yabo uma ukuthi ufake ukufa kwakhe engawathatha aphi lawo mandla ukuthi ekwazi ukubribe ama-French authorities, ethatha aphi lo power. Yabo because ukubribe ama-French authorities ukuthi afake ukufa kwakho, lokho ngathinta abantu abaningi. Lokho kuzothinta okapteni nocolonel bakhona eFrance, even no-commissioner. Yabo kahle amabhoza aseFrance. Yabo yena ithatha aphi lo influence ukuthinta amabhoza aseFrance, eFrance izwe engenandaba kanje nathi. Bafethu anibuye nicabange bafethu, anibuye nisebenzise lento. Yabo nithi manikhulu manisebenzise lento ukuthi iyayenza nisenze leyo ukuthi mfethu ungasuka la eMzansi uhambe ufika ukufa kwakho kwelinye izwe, ungasiyona i-permanent citizen yakhona. Phela he was not a permanent citizen, he doesn't have that power, akanayo lo power. Yabo uma ekwazi ukwenza njalo ukusho ukuthi nami ngingasuka la ngihambe ngiyohlala eJapan, ngifake ukufa kwami eJapan ngoba ukufake ukufa umsebenzi. Yezwa kumele ibe ne-influence kwi-media, kwi-admin nakulokuzana kuma-authorities. Yabo kumele ibe ne-influence kulezi ndawo ezu-3. uNyambosi bengenayo influence lezi ndawo ezu-3. Amandla akhe abephelele ofisini lakhe nasemsebenzini wakhe nakuma-meetings phela. Hayi bafethu anibuye nicabange nani, ake nicabange nje bafethu, vulani lento before nivule lento le. Avulani lento, come on.
Guys, it's no longer Unathi Mthethwa, it's Nathi Bester. Nathi Bester, because Upumzimba. Okay, you said like he fell, wara, Upumzimba. Upumzimba. Because as is scandal, South Africa ngathi zisawuxhaphaza. Nothabo Bester, kwathiwa ini, wara. Now so ungilomjida, Nathi Bester, like Upumzimba olomjida lo, because uqala kwathiwa he's missing, tugu. He fell. If he fell, then Upumzimba. They must show us umzimba wakhe sibone ba nyanyana umjida uswelekile o ubaleka amatyala. Umzimba lomjida kafanga, he's living like his best life somewhere. Ubaleka amatyala. South Africa imove bra, and corruption ngeke iphinde iphele. Nasethembisa zizibhedlela abantu balaliswe esamenteni. Oh.
Awakhalale. This coffin is not make sure. Guys, we're still crying. We're still crying together. We're still crying. And stop saying, guys, we can. Oh. You know, Mina, I will start believing if I see the pictures of the crime scene. Hey, you can't just fall down and then there's no leaked picture of your accident or something. And it was the first time I see, let's let it go. The coffin was nice, but it has historic France, what inside. I rest my case.
Imadoda khani hambe niyochekisha laa mzimba uba ukhona na nyhani. Niwubonile nini umzimba? Niwubona uba nguye nyhani na? Can anyone go and verify who is in France here? That is not one of these lama mene andizubiza mbutho ke ndizawuthi politicians. Ewe ke uswelekile, sorry. Andizutsho noba good riddance. That is wrong. We can't speak ill of the dead. But we need someone to go verify. I'm sorry if I am insensitive. However, as the nation, we are concerned. We are very much aware of their criminality. We are very much aware of their shenanigans. We have been Gavin Watsoned yet again, allegedly. Can someone, we can't trust the Department of International Relations and anyone. Can someone please verify if that man is indeed dead?